The Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler, Session 23, 3D Engraving.
Now these might be cheap Chinese machines that you have, but there are some amazing things that it can do. One of the amazing things we're going to tackle today is called 3D engraving. Look, put your hand up to your face, touch your nose, feel your eyes. It's 3D. That's what we're going to get in a piece of soft organic material like wood, acrylic, maybe MDF. Anything that will cut, you will be able to produce a 3D image on. You won't be able to do it on things like slate, stone, glass, because you can't cut those. You can only scratch the surface. This is a very complex subject. We're going to bring many of the things that we've already talked about into play today, and I will reinforce some of the things that we've already learnt. Go to Google, as I've got shown on the screen here, and just type in 3D bitmap images. Now, these weird looking pictures, it's difficult to describe some of them. Waxy, ghostly, they're a bit unreal. This one here